Welcome to Amazing Products channel. Please watch this video after ending. Please subscribe this channel, get more update videos. Get more info, click link in below description. Set up service USA Amazon affiliate program to your WordPress site. I will set up products of women's shoes, men's shoes, women clothing, men clothing and some beauty category products from Amazon affiliate products, totally 4,500 plus bestseller products set up with WooCommerce, free version, e-commerce theme, free version, and available below plugins. Free bonus regular license plugin. Amazon WooCommerce plugin with lifetime updates, above screenshot images. Free version plugins. EWWW Image Optimizer, W3 Total Cache, WooCommerce, WP Optimize, Yoast SEO. After set up your own, also import products more likely. Requirements: your new installed freshly WordPress admin details, username and password, without any data, i.e. empty WordPress with domain name. United States Amazon Affiliate Program Tracking ID, if you're Create UK, Canada etc., send also this tracking IDs. If you're Create API keys, please send API keys, access key and secret key. Note: please remember your take good hosting of top-level companies, i.e. hostgator, goddady etc. If you're not take good hosting not set up correctly,